Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover deleted history on Google Chrome. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Chrome browser. There we go. And once you have done so, let's go ahead, new tab, and right over here we're gonna go to the search bar and type in my activity. Search it up, and now go ahead, tap on this Google My Activity on top, wait for a while till it loads, and right over here you're gonna find this kind of interface. Right, go ahead, first of all tap on an app activity. It is turned on, and you will find all of the search history of yours. Right, so for example, if you tap on this cross icon beside the history, you will find this cancel option, which will simply retrieve your history again. You can do that to any you like. Once you tap on cancel, it's permanently removed. Once you tap on this cross icon and that is permanently removed, you can see this kind of interface right as well. Tap on got it, and that is removed. Unfortunately, you cannot retrieve that back once you have done so. You have instant option to get it back, like this cancel in the bottom, but if you miss that, you cannot. So basically you cannot do that. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.